If you are annoyed with the wireless emergency alerts and want to stop it, just follow this quick video. To begin, open the Settings application. Swipe up to go down. And find Safety and Emergency. Tap on it. Then go to Wireless Emergency Alerts. Here you will see various types of threats and alerts. You can disable one by tapping the slider off. If you want to disable all at once, just tap the slider beside Allow Alerts. That's it. From now on, you won't receive any types of emergency alerts from authorized federal, state, local, tribal and territorial public alerting authorities. So in this way, you can stop wireless emergency alerts on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.